Hey YouTube, today is Wednesday the 25th of September 2019. It's before 8 o'clock in the morning. We are on the road to take us up to Animas Forks. And this is some of the devastation that we just passed through. Here, I'll show you. There's the FJ. That's where we're going. The road's good. But look at this. There is so much snow here. I'm going to try to show you. You see how tall this is? I'm going to guess from ground level down here, this has got to be at least 12 to 15 feet tall. And I don't know if I can get this or not, but this is me, and hopefully you should be able to see the top of that. But I don't know how much of me you can see there, but hopefully something. But that, like I said, that's got to be at least 12 feet tall. You walk there, look, you can see like that little hole there. And there's little crevices and things everywhere. But look up on top. You see all the wood, the trees. There have been so many avalanches, and we've seen so many areas around here the last couple of days we have been here of trees that are just by the hundreds have been taken out with avalanches. I think somebody's coming up through here. Look at this tree. You see this tree sticking out of this snow? Check this out. Right over the road. How crazy is that, huh? I know you can see that. There's still guys in an ATV here. Okay, I'm not sure where he's going, but... And oh, you see this? This is ice, okay? This is literal ice on the road. This is how cold it is. But look, now that we're on this side, look at this. And that's that tree I just showed you. Check that out. Literally sticking through the snow, and all those trees, all this debris. How insane is this? How absolutely insane. Oh, I know where he's going. That's Placer Gulch. Wow, didn't recognize it. So different. Some guys in a Jeep down there. Check this out though. Just check this out. And look, let me show you, give you a long shot through here. Look at this. I'm standing right in the middle of the road right now. And yeah, that right there has got to be easily 10 to 12 feet tall on this right hand side here. But all these trees sticking out, all of this stuff, and all that up there, I mean, that up there, if you're still on that road up there, that's still got to be 12 to 15 feet tall at its highest point there, I would guess. Very, very, very insane. It's quite cold. But do you see this? This is ice. Okay? This water is frozen. Here, this will show it to you. See that right there? That's definitely ice. But all these frozen over. I know you can see that good. Very good. Alright, we'll let this Jeep come by. I'll just stand here. We'll watch him go by. I'll video him. I'll make him famous on my YouTube. Don't see a license plate on him. He's a rental, looks like maybe. But here, in the meantime, while we're waiting, let me show you back through here. I don't know if you can see it, but the FG is way down there. See the sun on the mountains up there, and you see it's another bluebird day here. But this snow still here this late in September. I mean, this is just truly bizarre. This is crazy. Let's watch this guy drive by. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good. You too. Utah. He's got a Utah plate on that thing. I don't know what that 44 is. I would have thought that was a rental. But there he goes. You can see the tallness where that tree is sticking out down there. Well, he's going to turn, but that's the craziness of this. All right, finally. Down here. This is, of course, where we started coming through this way. Again, look at all this devastation up here. Look at this over here to my left. Is that crazy or is that crazy? And that's the start of it right down there. So, you can see this ain't no joke. Now, I want to go ahead, I am going to fly through here as well and get some aerial video I will put with this. So you're going to see this from the ground view, as I've just shown you, obviously, and you're going to see it from the aerial view. All right, so we'll get on that next.